Hey everyone, welcome to this 5-minute crash course on artificial intelligence, or simply AI. Don't worry, I'll make it super simple, super clear, and by the end, you'll actually understand what AI really is and how it works. Let's go. Part 1. What is AI? AI means machines that can think and learn like humans. Just imagine when your phone unlocks with your face, or YouTube suggests your favorite videos, that's AI working silently behind the screen. So basically, AI equals smart machines that learn from data and make decisions. Part 2. How does AI work? Think of AI like a student. You give it lots of examples. That's called data. Then it starts learning patterns. This is called training. Finally, it can make decisions. That's prediction. Example, you show AI 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs. Later, it can tell if a new photo is a cat or dog without you teaching it again. Part 3. Types of AI. There are 3 main levels of AI. Narrow AI does one specific job, like ChatGPT, Siri, or Google Translate. General AI can think and reason like humans, not yet real but being developed. Super AI, smarter than humans, only in theory, for now. Part 4. Where AI is used today. AI is everywhere, in games, smarter enemies and suggestions, in cameras, beauty filters, face focus, in cars, self-driving systems, in hospitals, disease detection, in apps, chatbots, translation, and customer service. Basically, if something feels smart, AI is inside it. Part 5. How you can learn or use AI. You don't need to be a scientist. Start with small steps. Learn basic tools like ChatGPT or Google AI Studio. Try free courses on YouTube or Coursera. Practice with small projects like creating an AI chatbot or image generator. Remember, AI isn't just the future, it's the present. The one who learns it now will lead tomorrow.